All right, so Trinity Baseball 23, fresh case.
Well, there's still some heavy lifting, fellas. Kuzma will throw in 113-112 Dallas. Coop's got the last 4 points, and they've retaken the lead. And now here's a double team on Giannis. 22 seconds, 16 to shoot. Ryan Rollins.
Oh, what a take, Ryan Rollins. That's some super high-end Leaf Baseball Wednesday. Leaf Spectacular.
A gap to drive for Ryan Rollins.
3-box case. I haven't checked it out yet.
Last week, the Mavericks were in this position down in the final seconds, and they called Coop's number on offense.
Now, this is a mistake by Cooper. Once you trap, you must go opposite of the rotation. Him going to the ball confuses Najee, opens up a gap that allows the layup to happen.
And for Ryan Rollins on tonight when he
Let it rip. Let's fuck everybody.
when you look at his body of work over the season, Rollins delivers a huge basket for Milwaukee with 17.9 left. 5 of 13 from the floor, 13 points. Rollins does have 8 assists in this game, which equals his season high.
All right, let's go, guys. So Lazaro Montez, Silver Steel.
This is
The
Dallas'
L Spy Black Jerk.
Milwaukee does have a
So 6 of 6. Spencer Jones, the 25.
pass to Seesaw back
Wait
in
for the S Spy Cello.
Back to Cooper here. Agreed.
Oh, Christian Moore, clear. Just clear to 99. For the C spot, Jose. So Chris Cortez, green, 17 of 25. By Jose.
a drive to the
Ooh, black and gold. 101. So AJ Garcia. So 101 black and gold. The A spot, Jose. So Caleb Durbin, 62 and 99. Spot Jose. Oh, that sucks. Down goes Coop. It's golly, man. Look at that patch for the B spot. Kevin. 47 and 99. Braylon Payne. Nasty patch. That is sick. Oh, they called the foul. Ah, this is Trinity, man. Beautiful stuff. Ooh, little Jesus Mate. Great start to the case. Little 5 and 99 for the J spot. Black Jack.
The only thing that could be reviewed would be whether or not it was a 2 or a 3.
Kev on a patch auto.
Saw the play when Kuzma got a little bit of jersey.
Such a sweet set. Cello.
1.2 left in the game.
Yeah, some phenomenal cases. Jane L. Colin.
CJ now has 15 points in the game to go along with, 16 now, 7 rebounds as well.
Yes, sir. You know, brother. Nice hit.
1/3 of the way there.
Oh, he missed.
The mission is obvious.
Oh, what are you doing?
Cisse's going in, so is Gafford. An intentional miss. Obviously, bigs are in for Milwaukee. Miles Turner and Giannis.
How you missed is really important.
I mean, look at the way Ray J. Dennis did that for Indiana in that game here a couple of weeks ago. He missed on the right.
All right, let's get started to the case. The next one is up. So we're jumping in, everybody.